Porto Palermo Castle is a castle near Himarë in southern Albania. It is situated in the Bay of Porto Palermo, a few kilometers south of Himarë along the Albanian Riviera.Huffington Post ranked Porto Palermo first among 15 undiscovered European destinations for 2014. The area, together with Llamani Beach, will be proclaimed a protected area holding the status of protected landscape by the Albanian government. History. The well-preserved castle is commonly, but wrongly, asserted by guidebooks and the local tourist guides to have been built in early 19th century by Ali Pasha of Tepelina. This is untrue, as it has been built prior to the evolution of the star fort design. Most probably it was built by the Venetians, as it could be relieved by sea, and it has the same triangular plan with round towers found in the Venetian fort at Butrint. Its design is very unusual in having no courtyard. Normally castles had provision for housing some horses, if only to receive and send messengers. In 1921 the castle was called Venetian. At the time the identity of its builders ought to have been clear from a plaque above the entrance gate. This plaque is now missing, but the weathering of the stones clearly shows that it has not been missing for many decades. Almost certainly this plaque had a carving of the Lion of St. Mark. The castle would have been vulnerable to cannon fire from the hill above, and this also suggests an early date for its construction, when cannon had not developed the range they had later. In 1662 the Venetians feared the Turks would recondition it. In 1803 Ali Pasha offered the castle and port to the Royal Navy, at which time the fort only had 4 or 5 cannon, implying that Ali Pasha did not see the fort as important for him. Leake visited the fort and noted that the garrison consisted of 10 men with 2 4-pounders. Poukville in 1806 reports the tower of fort stands on the southern point of the entrance, connected with the continent by a low narrow isthmus. It consists of a square with bastions, having a few guns, of no service either to command the entrance or to protect the shipping at anchor. Near it are some warehouses, a custom house, and a Greek church.